must-have apps of 2020. Do drop a like if you enjoy this video and subscribe for more content. All the apps will be available in the description down below. And also some YouTube gear that I felt would help young YouTubers start with their new channel. Without further ado, let's get right into this video. So the first app for today is TrueAmps. TrueAmps is a charging app that provides an always-on display and numerous charging animations to phones that don't already have them. This app only works when the phone is charging and will be inactive otherwise. This app is very intuitive and easy to use and can select from a number of styles like progress, wave, orbit and particle style. The accent color and animation color can easily be changed in the settings of this app. So the next app on our list is TapTap. TapTap is an app that has one simple functionality: to trigger Google Assistant. This app is still in beta and can be found on the XDA developers website. With TapTap, you can just tap at the back of your phone 2 times and this triggers Google Assistant. It's a very easy to use app and doesn't take much to set up. This app has definitely changed the game for using Google Assistant and you should definitely try it out. So the next app for today is IFTTT. I know you're probably thinking, what the hell is that name? Well, it stands for if this, then that. This app helps you connect all your different devices and apps to work seamlessly together. If you open the IFTTT app, you can use various commands designed by users to automate your phone. This app helps you automate your phone with custom functions designed by users or yourself. And you should definitely try it out because it's very interesting and the possibilities are endless. This app can link all your other apps together and help you keep your phone in a seamless ecosystem that will always be ready to do your next task. So the next app we have is Remote Mouse. The name is pretty explanatory, Remote Mouse. This app basically helps you control your PC from your phone. You can use your phone as a trackpad. All you have to do, download the PC client, connect to the same Wi-Fi network, and you're good to go. You can also use the inbuilt gyro of your phone to move the mouse on the PC with the help of gestures on your phone. This app is really helpful, especially if you have siblings, because I've pranked my sister many times using this app. So the next app is Google Podcasts. You probably listen to many podcasts, right, during the quarantine when you're bored. So this app is a clean Google app to listen to all your favorite podcasts. This app contains a speed adjuster to increase the speed or decrease the speed of the podcast. It also contains a sleep timer in case you fall asleep and your phone is on. This app also suggests new podcasts based on your preferences. If you listen to audiobooks or podcasts, this app is perfect for you. The next app is Sleep Monitor. During the quarantine, all our sleep patterns have become very erratic and unpredictable. So this app helps you monitor and record your sleep patterns. This app uses the inbuilt microphone of your phone to cancel out all background noises and just focus on your sleep patterns. This app also provides data like REM, light sleep, deep sleep, and many more. This app also helps you customize your sleep patterns based on certain external factors, like if you worked out, or if you had a coffee right before sleep, or if you're not sleeping in your own bed. This app will help you record all your sleep patterns and help you find out what's wrong with your daily sleep. I've tried it out myself and the app works really well. So the next app is AMOLED.in. This app is the perfect app for all AMOLED wallpapers. If you have a phone with an OLED display, you definitely need those rich black wallpapers. This app impressed me a lot. It has a clean interface and very cut out categories. Another plus of this app is it's made by an Indian developer. This app contains wallpapers with up to 4K resolution and the wallpapers are clean, crisp, with rich blacks and vibrant midtones, and you definitely try it out. This app will solve all your wallpaper needs. So our next app is Reddit. You probably have heard of Reddit, right? Yeah, many of you have heard of it, but many of you have not heard of it in the same hand. So Reddit is a social media app where you find everything and anything. Literally anything. Reddit contains subreddits which can be of any topic, like say Premiere Pro, or cinematography, or gaming, or tech, or even memes. It contains literally anything. This app is really helpful if you have a problem and need a solution for that instantly. Just go to Reddit and type whatever the problem is, and you definitely will get many users type suggestive and helpful replies, or many internet trolls too. So the last app for today is a really popular game, Among Us. You probably have all heard of it, right? Among Us is a really light and fun game to play with your friends locally or online. The quest of this game is to kill or be killed.
お前はもう死んでいる。
This game is set in a spaceship with up to 10 members, and there is an imposter among them. That imposter's job is to kill other members and be the lone survivor. This game is really fun to play and you should definitely check it out with your friends. So those are must-have apps for 2020. Do drop a like if you enjoyed this video and subscribe for more content. All the links in the description.